Bitcoin is currently still getting rejected, failing to be breaking this downtrend, but do not get fooled at this moment, because currently Bitcoin is flashing a huge buy signal. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What do I think is going to be happening next? Because we are still trading inside of this uptrend. When is Bitcoin finally going to be breaking out outside of this huge consolidation range? We need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in that short term, not much at all is happening because Bitcoin is still trading inside of this weekend, and usually during the course of the weekend, we can be seeing that Bitcoin consolidates at around that CME gap, and in this case, that CME gap is sitting at about the 66k level. So yeah, consolidation at around this level is going to be extremely likely. Now, I think that at the beginning of next week, we are going to be most likely returning towards this level. So it doesn't really matter what is going to be happening during this course of the weekend. I think that on the Monday, we are going to be retracing towards this level. So yeah, a little bit of a retracement left, but definitely what is going to be extremely important for that longer term is going to be this downtrend, which we need to be breaking. And in that short term, we are actually creating some kind of a bullish divergence on that RSI indicator. So definitely strength is right now coming in. In that short term, we are getting a little bit of a buy signal. So if, because of this bullish divergence, we can be finding the strength to be breaking above this downtrend, that is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Of course, in the recent few days, Bitcoin has been seeing these breakdowns, and definitely this is not looking all too good. But if we can be breaking this downtrend back towards the upside, with this bullish divergence, well, at the same time, we are also going to be recovering this level of resistance into support. And in that case, definitely, I do expect that we are going to be headed even higher. Now, if we are not going to be seeing this bounce, if we are not going to be seeing us actually breaking above this level of resistance, well, then definitely do still keep in mind that this previous support is turning into its resistance, and we still need to have a look into these lower levels getting reached. But in my opinion, also even in that short term, we might even have a look into a new compression pattern getting created. To be honest, I just think that we are going to be consolidating, and what is going to be very important is to have a look whether Bitcoin is going to be breaking back above this level of resistance, or if we're going to be breaking down even further back below this level of support. If we're going to be breaking below this level of support, definitely we are going to be headed even lower. But if we're going to be breaking back towards the upside, it is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. So yeah, for that short term, that is going to be the most important thing to have a look in towards. Now, do keep in mind that Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend. The ETF investors have actually been selling off, and well, these ETF investors have usually been buying the top, selling the bottom, once again buying the top, and maybe potentially once again selling the bottom over here, because yes, they are selling right now. On top of that, also Bitcoin is sitting at a huge major level of support at this current level from of this bullish megaphone pattern. So should we really be worried at these levels? Well, I do not think so. But well, we are just going to be having a look at what is going to be happening next after the course of this weekend. Of course, still this weekend is going to be quite boring in my opinion, but after the weekend, I definitely do think that we are going to be seeing some volume actually coming in. So definitely do be prepared. Of course, Bitcoin is still consolidating inside of this huge consolidation pattern, but inevitably, we are going to be seeing a breakout towards the upside. We are just still trading inside of this bull market. Of course, the Bollinger Bands are right now squeezing us in. A huge move is going to be inevitable anytime soon. Anyways, guys, I have actually just opened a new leverage trade over on Solana, over on March X, just to be trying out this exchange honestly. And I also definitely do think that right now there's a huge opportunity for Solana. So if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below, because over on March X you can be trading with up to 100x leverage, and also on your initial sign up you are going to be getting a free 50 US dollars. And also whenever you deposit $100, you are going to be getting another 50 US dollars completely for free. Also, whenever you use my code down below, you will be getting another 20% bonus on your deposit. So if you deposit 1,000 US dollars, you're going to be getting another 200 US dollars completely for free. And also, if you do use that code, you can cover up to 50% trading fees using that code. But yes, anyways, I definitely do think that there is a great opportunity right now for Solana. Just like I've been tweeting about, well, I just bought a lot more Solana here, currently sitting at a major level of support. I am expecting a bounce. I'm even considering taking this leverage trade, and yes, I did take a little bit, it's a small position, but still I did take a leverage trade. I think that at these levels, Solana is definitely quite undervalued. I am expecting a bounce from of this level of support. Now, not only are we having this trendline support, also we are having some support, horizontal support from of this level over here. So if we are going to be expecting this bounce, well, we could be expecting a huge breakout coming anytime soon in the coming few weeks. So yeah, this is going to be extremely exciting to be having a look in towards. I will be keeping you guys up to date about this position. Anyways, guys, for that longer term for Bitcoin, do not get fooled right now. I just think that we are going to be seeing a huge next move towards the upside getting initiated. And let's see if in that short term, we can be seeing a little bit of a recovery, or if we are going to be breaking down even further towards the downside, if we are going to be breaking below this low. Anyways, guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.